Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you 5 amazing Solana based airdrops which you can join, you must join, and you can earn huge amount of money for free. So it's 100% free. So let's move on to our Telegram channel. Let's move on to our Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. So okay. So now you just need to go to our Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. This is our Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. So if you didn't join this Telegram channel yet, then please please join this Telegram channel. I have provided the link in the video description, so please join that because I provide all the best airdrops over here only. So this is our first airdrop, INO token airdrop. So I hope you have joined this first round of this airdrop. If you didn't join, then please join this and make one account on INO token site. And this is the second round of INO token airdrop. So you just need to join the Discord group. Click on accept invite and join the Discord channel of this airdrop. So after you join the Discord channel, you need to fill the form. Click on this form link and just wait for it to open. And for this INO token airdrop, you need to have account on solid.io site. So you must make one account on solid.io site. If you didn't join round 1, then please see our previous video on which I have told you how to join the round 1 of this airdrop, or you can see just Telegram channel. So this is our form, and here you need to submit your Solana address. So just go to your solid.io site and make one account on solid.io if you didn't make one yet. And I have already made one account on solid.io, that's why it's showing like this, unlock wallet. So I just need to log in as I have already created the account. Now after you have opened your login with your account, you just need to click on Sol, click on receive, and just copy your address by clicking on this button. So after you have copied this, go back to the form page. This is our form page, and paste it over here, Solana address. Now you need to click on this tweet link, custom tweet with INO and INO SPL token, or quote retweet this. So you have to copy this. That's just the $INO and @INO SPL, and click on copy. And click on this link, Twitter link. So after you get this Twitter link, you just need to click on like. Firstly, let's just follow this. So click on this profile picture, click on follow. After you follow this, go back to the page, and now just click on this button, click on quote tweet, and just paste it over here. Remove the end from here, leave one space for this, and now you just need to tag any of your 3 friends you can tag. So I'm tagging any of my 3 followers. If you didn't have followers, then please follow someone, and for follow so that they will follow you and you will have followers. After you tag 3 friends and just paste this both $INO and @INO SPL token, you just need to type anything like this. So this is an amazing project. After you type, you need to click on retweet. So your tweet has been done now. You just need to go back and just see. You have to submit your tweet link with this. So you just need to go back to your Twitter account. So open your Twitter account, click on top left 3 bars, click on this your profile picture with which you have followed this, and this is your quote retweet. So click on this share button, and then click on copy link. Go back to the form now and paste it over here. And we have already following this, so let's just confirm this. Click on this, and so click on follow. If you didn't follow, then go back to the form and submit your Twitter handle. So I'm submitting my Twitter handle, means my Twitter username right here. After you have done this, you just need to scroll down, join Discord. So we are already joining this, we have already joined this. So after you join this, you can get your Discord ID on the Discord profile. So just do like this and paste it with the hashtag also. So I am pasting my Discord ID here, and referred by Solana address of the friend who referred you. So you just need to copy this inviter address over here. After you paste the address and you have done all these tasks, just click on submit and your this airdrop will be joined. So second round of INO is also joined. So now just go back to the INO airdrop. Now just go back to the Telegram channel. I have provided all the details over here for second and third airdrop and fourth, fifth airdrop as well. Now this is Sakita get free Akita token. So just click on follow this Twitter account first. Click on follow. Now scroll down. This is the pinned tweet. So click on like. Click on this button and then click on quote tweet. Now tag any of your 3 followers. And write anything about this, anything good. And click on retweet. After you do this, go back to the page here and now just click on this form. We have done now the Solana means we have done the Twitter task. Now just go back to the form, write your Twitter username using @ and let's just see. Okay, we are already following this. So after you write your Twitter username, you need to enter your Solana wallet address. So just go back to solid.io site where we have currently previously made one account over here. Just go back to solid.io site, log in with your password. Click on receive, click on sol, then receive, and then copy your deposit address. Then go back to the page, form page, paste it over here. Now you need to submit your tweet link which you can get from Twitter. So just click on top left 3 bars, click on your Twitter profile image, and then click on this share button, as this was only the Solana Akita tweet link. Now go back to here and paste it over here, click on submit, and now our second airdrop has also been joined. Now just go back to the Telegram channel, go back to our Telegram channel and wait for it to load. Okay, so it has loaded now. Now just scroll up and just see for this third airdrop, Sol address from solar.io. Let it open. Now you need to do all these tasks like click on follow on Twitter, follow this link. Now click on follow, must join this. This is a really very big airdrop, so please join the third airdrop. Click on like button, click on this, and then click on retweet. Now click on this join the Soul Starter community and join their Telegram channel, Telegram group, or click on the 3 bars and click on copy link. Then just go back to Telegram. Now after searching this is our Soul Starter group. So click on this and now click on join. So now after you have joined this, then go back to the page and now you need to complete your form. So after you have done all these tasks, you should also create account on solid.io. I hope you have already made, because for all the previous airdrops which we just joined. Now click on start. Enter your email address. So you need to enter one by one all the details. Click on OK. Now enter your Telegram username using @. Enter your Twitter profile. So you need to enter your Twitter profile link. So like this you can write https www.twitter.com/ and then your Twitter username. So click on OK now. And what is your Solana wallet address? So solid.io, I hope you have made account on solid.io. So you just need to open that, and so you just need to open this solid.io and paste your address. Click on Sol, click on receive, click on copy, and now go back to the giveaway page, paste it your address, click on OK, click on a complete, click on complete, and click on complete again. Do you agree to click on complete? Now just verify this. 3 plus 19, it's 22. Why are you interested in Soul Starter? So you can write any reason, like I'm writing. Now click on submit after you write your reason. So we have successfully applied for the Soul Starter whitelist airdrop. So now just go back to this page and go back to the Telegram channel, our Telegram channel, and after you have joined the third airdrop Soul Starter as well, then scroll up and you can join also these last two airdrops. So friends, for this fourth airdrop, debank based airdrop, so for this you just need to have your desktop PC. So you just need to do in this in your desktop, as you can't do this in your mobile phone. Just scroll up, click on join the Discord. This is our fifth airdrop, Soulship airdrop. Just click on join on Discord, click on accept invite, and after you do this, go back to the Telegram channel. Now just after join, go to verify here and type verify. So just need to go back to the Discord channel. After you go to the Discord channel, click on top left 3 bars. Now just scroll down and just click on verify here button on the top. Now you just need to click this verify dot verify. After you click on dot verify, you will be successfully verified here. Just wait for some time, it will be verified. Let's just see whether we have verified or not. It will be verified, so just go back to this and now click. You need to follow them on Twitter. So let's just follow first them on Twitter. Click on follow button, click on like, click on retweet and tag any 5 friends. So just need to also just post these hashtags, hashtag SSHIB airdrop souls. So just click on this, for a long time, and then for at least 3 seconds or 2 seconds, like and retweet pinned post, tag 5 friends plus hashtag. So click on this button, then click on create retweet, paste it over here, clear all the things except this hashtags. Just make sure you have hashtags left over here, and you also need to tag 5 friends or followers. So I'm tagging 5 friends. Just need to tag your 5 followers. After you tag 5 followers and just paste this hashtags, click on retweet. After you click on retweet, so you have done this task also. So click on follow Solana Shib. We have already done this, so just scroll down, and now you just need to join this Telegram community. So go back to the Telegram channel and click on join them. Click on both these links for joining their community. Click on join, then click on join this announcement channel as well, and then you just need to follow this form. click on this button. Oh sorry, I just opened it on wrong page. Click on this, and now just need to click on Brave. Open it on any browser. Open. Let's just wait for it to open. We have done all these tasks, so you just need to paste your Telegram Twitter handle here, Twitter username using @ your Discord username also using hashtag. First write your name and then hashtag 1453. This is mine. Your Telegram username you have to paste using @ your Solana wallet. You are robot, so click on no. Now you just need to go back to solid.io site. Now just open your solid.io account over here. You need to submit your Sol, so click on Sol, click on receive, and then copy the address. After you copy the address, you go back to the form, paste your Solana wallet address here, and after you have done all these tasks, click on submit. So you have already successfully joined this 5th airdrop now. So I hope you have liked this video, and please join all the Solana airdrops, as any airdrop can give you huge earnings, so please don't miss any airdrop. Also you can join these all the other left airdrops if you want for more earnings. So friends, I hope you liked this video, so please support, like, share and subscribe, and also must join my Telegram channel, as I provide all the limited and best airdrops over here in my Telegram channel. So please join this. I have provided the link of this Telegram channel in the description. Thank you.